What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys the speed art on how I create a POS banner. So due to the traction my earlier version got, I just decided to make it like a new one for you guys, since you guys understand it seems you guys really liked the previous one I did. So that's what prompted me to create a new one for you guys. So if you guys literally want like a detailed tutorial, step by step tutorial on how I create this design, whichever design you guys want me to do that on, just spam the comment section with we want a full step by step tutorial on how to create this particular design, and depending on the amount of comments, you never know, I may decide to do a step by step tutorial. The reason why I'm even doing all these speed art is I kind of notice that most of you guys on YouTube don't like all these kind of long videos. You just want something that just going to inspire you guys. So that's what literally prompts me to do all this speed art design. But if you guys literally want a step by step more detailed tutorial, you guys can let me know in the comment section. So without no further ado, watch to the end of this video and make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So stay tuned.
Avant, tu voyais que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien. Avant, tu voyais que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien.